What's up, guys? This week I'll show a point of view video on me making some fried rice using rotisserie chicken. Definitely one of the most cost efficient things, especially if you shop at Costco. There are many uses for the rotisserie chicken. This week I'll be showing you how to use the skin as a nice crispy topping for some fried rice. Stay tuned for hopefully more videos on what to do with it.
Friday night, not much to do. Decided to make food instead. Just deboning my chicken after my Costco run. I always do this, even though it is a little bit of effort, I would say. It's because in these expensive times, this is one of the cheapest things you can buy, honestly. Now that I moved out, I actually got to pay bills and stuff now compared to living at home. Now I got to take a significant other as well. I do this as a hobby because I just want to show people that honestly this is pretty simple to do. And when I mean to do, I meant cooking. As long as you're willing to try. That's all I was. I started this during pandemic. Nothing better to do except play games and cook for the fam anyway. Didn't really go out because of the whole shutdown stuff. Always save these bones because, hey man, after learning how to make certain stocks, you'd be surprised at what you can make with this. A lot of the ramen videos I've been making, or pho, has been done just using this chicken bones from this rotisserie chicken. Whenever it gets full, I fill it up in a bag. Whenever it gets full, perfect. That's when you start making stock. Save the bones. Look at that. Dang, look at that. Another one's gonna be full pretty much. Usually it's around 2.5 to maybe sometimes 3 if I really push it. Overcook these very quick. Add some oil. And stir fry the skin. I always trying to clean up too while I'm cooking. It's a good habit. It's like picking up after yourself. Definitely something people they get better at. You won't regret it as you grow older, I feel. Okay, some oil. Whew. Oil splatter. Salt it. Stir fry and cook these out for a bit. Usually onions are very raw. When I don't stir fry these enough, they're a little spicy for me, if you know what I mean. But if you stir fry it, cook them out, let them caramelize a bit, it should be fine. So we'll cook these out for a bit. Costco on sale, not sponsored, but I feel like, I know how to make this already, to be honest, but having readily available sauce when I'm lazy, I don't feel like making it already. Also, getting a bit late. Starting to get hungry too. So, perfect time. Oh, I still suck. I still suck at the stir fry flips. At this point, it's pretty good. Add your aromatics. Should smell great. You got your eggs at the very end. Oh. Add a little bit of this. That back in the egg. A little bit of the stir fry sauce. And we're pretty good. If I want to be a little bit extra, oh, yeah, it didn't even look that good. Some green onions. It's nice crispy skin. Ooh. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh. Disgustingly good. Alright. Here's my creation. Here's something I'll do with that another time. If you guys like these videos, let me know. If you guys actually like me cooking with this point of view video using my GoPro, let me know again. If not, all good. Just wanted to give it a try. Alright guys, take care.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at WeCanCooks. Thanks for the support.